Up next, the shocking truth about MSC, Carnival, and Royal Caribbean. What's really different?
Talk about how fun it is to cruise and the lifestyle cruise. Forum TV with Dave on the wave.
Every cruise fan has a favorite line, and they'll fight for it online. It's like a football team. Now, people get very opinionated about their favorite line. Carnival fans say Royal's too uptight. Royal fans say Carnival's too rowdy. MSC fans say both are overrated. So who's actually right? And when you look at the facts and what real cruisers report, the answer's not what most people expect. Welcome back to Cruise Forum TV, where we break down what's really happening at sea. There's no fluff and bias, just what passengers are seeing and saying. After digging through reviews, forums, and firsthand reports, here's how Carnival, Royal Caribbean, and MSC actually stack up. From food and service to entertainment and atmosphere. So if you're wondering which cruise line to pick, or if you want to think about switching to another one, hopefully this video is going to help you out. Carnival versus Royal Caribbean. Same game, but kind of a different vibe, right? Carnival and Royal Caribbean, they may look worlds apart, but their cruise experience is surprisingly similar. Both have strong service, big entertainment, and they have solid food. The difference? It's kind of the vibe that's happening. Royal Caribbean is built for families and adventure seekers. Think like surf simulators, rock climbing walls, ice rinks, and escape rooms. Carnival focuses less on tech, more on energy. Cruise directors and entertainment teams are known for turning every event into like a group thing. And then sailaway parties, theme nights, even random line dances on deck. It's not the wild frat party stereotype that the internet loves to push. It's just a ship full of people actually getting involved. Royal Caribbean tends to be more structured, fun when you want it, right? Peaceful when you don't, so you can kind of choose and pick. In short, Carnival is like more of a community energy. Royal Caribbean is like a balance and variety. But the first real split shows up when the food hits the table. Here's where the lines they really separate. Food reviews. Across all the reviews, and then the quality in all three is roughly equal, but the experience feels totally different. Now, Carnival kind of wins the variety game. It's newer ships are packed with specialty spots, including like Guy's Burgers and Big Chicken and Blue Iguana Cantina, the deli. They're serving fresh food that's made to order. Most cruisers say they barely touch the buffet at all because the buffet is, if you're on Carnival, you're probably getting one of these separate places to eat. Well, Caribbean lands kind of in the middle. The buffet's solid, casual venues like O Loco Fresh or Cafe Promenade, they keep things consistent, and the overall service, it feels timed and polished. MSC, on the other hand, draws more mixed feedback. Everyone agrees that their ships, they're stunning, truly among the most stylish at sea, but reports show that service can feel stretched thin sometimes. Guests often mention slower dining times and difficulty finding servers around pools or bars. It's not bad service, it's just less personnel and less flexible than Carnival or Royal's gonna be. And then comes the most surprising category, the drinks. Carnival and Royal Caribbean have drink menus dialed in, from margaritas, espresso martinis. Bartenders know what cruisers want, and they can make it fast. MSC's bars, they look spectacular. The drink options are unusual. Reports mention sweeter cocktail mixes, limited brand selections, and oddly, no lemonade at most bars. It's European line, so they do things different. And that means you can't order like a simple vodka lemonade, even though lemonade is available elsewhere on board. Now, these are reports I'm hearing. I've never tried it. It's a small detail, but it shows how MSC still designs around European preferences more than North American ones. And some people prefer that. Entertainment and atmosphere. Each line takes a totally different approach. MSC goes for theatrical productions, big lighting, costume design, and interpretive dance. Royal Caribbean continues like Broadway-style shows and high-tech experiences, aqua theaters, ice skating, giant productions that use the ship's tech to its full potential. It's pretty amazing in person. Carnival focuses on interactive entertainment, comedians, contests, crowd participation events that keep the ship buzzing. A big point that cruisers keep bringing up is space. Oh, the space is so different. Oh, that's what he says. As ships get larger, MSC and Royal, they often keep entertainment venues smaller, tinier. They force guests to reserve like spots or miss out. They keep it more of a, you take a big ship and make cozy spots out of it. Carnival's newest Excel class ships, they fix that. Bigger theaters, multiple show times, and venues designed to handle real crowds. But there's one area where MSC gets near universal praise. Their secret weapon. Even critics agree on this. MSC builds some of the most beautiful ships afloat. Modern architecture, glass atriums, dynamic lighting, and they look more luxury resort than traditional cruise ships. Highlights include features like the speakeasy bar, a hidden live music lounge, praised by guests for its private high-end vibe. And when it comes to design, MSC is way ahead of the curve. If they match that level of style with faster service and better coordination, there'll be serious competition for Carnival and Royal in North America. Well, here's where the data and cruiser feedback lines up. Carnival, best for social energy, food variety, and value. Royal Caribbean, best for families, innovation, and a balance of fun and relaxation. MSC, best ship design and atmosphere. They're still improving on service and logistics. This is just from reviews, remember. There's no single best cruise line. It really depends on what your value, party, energy, money, family adventure, modern luxury. And that's exactly why cruise debates online, they'll never end. Everyone's right in their own way, and a good cruise manager can help you find the right one. So here's the deal. I'd like to hear your opinions on this. So comment below and let me know if I missed anything that you wanted to hear about, and then come back and see my responses and my possible videos on your ideas. Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell, hit it right now. Did you hit it? Go ahead and hit it. And then drop your pick in the comments. I'm Dave, this is Cruise Forum TV, and I'll see you with my little friend on deck. And if you do, well, buy me a drink.
Talk about how fun it is to cruise.